Friends, community, welcome. In this video, you're going to learn update about Bitcoin, technical analysis, potential plan ideas, and exactly where we can buy Bitcoin. First, have a look what's going on Bitcoin and what exactly Bitcoin did here at bottom. Why I like Bitcoin, by the way, at this moment. Because have a look, exactly at this relow, have a look on this significant volume, finally exactly at bottom, and after that massive rise. If you compare Bitcoin to previous rise, have a look on this previous rise. Exactly that happened here. Previous rise, volume increased dramatically exactly at bottom, and the same happened here. Why it's so important for us? Why volume important at bottom? And by the way, about volumes, there would be a special video. I'll add it to you. You can watch it after this lesson. When big volume appears at bottom, it shows to us that someone sell big amount of Bitcoins. Quite a lot they sell, because if you have long position, if you have, for example, bought Bitcoin here and your stop loss, for example, you set stop loss below this low, price moves to this place, and if you have buy position, price hit your stop loss, you sell to close your position. And at that time, for some people, it is the best opportunity to take long, especially for whales, for institutional investors, for banks. That's how it works. And if you take a look on many altcoins, they exactly started rising from this bottom. Have a look. Big volume exactly at bottom on many altcoins. That's the reason, my friend, why you should understand how to use volume. And once more, remember to watch a lesson about volume. What about right now at this moment on Bitcoin? Let me show you one important data that could show to us what's going on with Bitcoin. Have a look. Have a look on this important data, my friends. At this moment, Bitcoin could start some rise, because have a look on this big losses. This data shows to us Bitcoin profit and loss age bands to exchanges. That means it shows to us when people take their profit and when people fix their losses. And have a look when Bitcoin did the most significant rise always. It always did after big capitulation, when people close big their positions with massive loss. That happened in 2019, before this beautiful rise. That happened in March 2020, before start of this upcycle. That happened even in May, July, when Bitcoin did rise from 30,000 to 65. At this moment, honestly, these losses, they are small. They're small compared to all of this volume that we saw. And the most important question, can Bitcoin start new uprise, a new trend after this? I think some midterm trend really possible. About long-term trend, I love it after something like this, after massive liquidations. That like, if you ask me, Yuri, when do you recommend me to buy to put all my altcoins into Bitcoin? Answer simple. When you see such capitulation, it is the best time to put all your money into Bitcoin. Friends, before I give you exact recommendations where to open a trade, I ask you right now, push like, subscribe, and turn on the bell, because we are not sponsored by any exchange. We are sponsored by your like, your subscribe. Help us grow big audience if you like this content. About clear ideas on Bitcoin, what we can trade right now. I think at this moment it's important to pay attention to this stuff. Have a look on this, how Bitcoin exactly at high. Have a look exactly at high, how big volume appeared exactly at high. What does it mean for us and why it's so important? It shows to us that while Bitcoin did rise, some people were selling their Bitcoins and some people buying, but someone sell really big amount of Bitcoins that price cannot move through it. Previous time, something like that happens here at high, and Bitcoin did significant drop after. I think at this moment for Bitcoin it's important to do some pullback, and I would be happy if Bitcoin would do a pullback to have a look on this important volume. One small lesson about volume I added. Have a look on this volume. It shows to us area where biggest amount of Bitcoins were traded. Why it's so important? People that bought Bitcoins in this area, they will support their positions. And if Bitcoin would make pullback to this area, it could be maybe one of the best places to buy Bitcoin before some clear rise. What will be for us the most important? If Bitcoin make a pullback to this area and again volume appear and someone buy big amount of Bitcoins at that level. That level it is 39,500, 41,000. If it's that area, big buy volume appears, we can take long on Bitcoin. Let's make a deal. If a beautiful trade idea appears, I share it with you in my public Telegram channel. You can find link in description. Also, thanks for watching and watch a video about how to read volume and how to use it in the future. Thank you.